Bethel Clouds TV, empowering lives.
Why did Raila choose to support RUTO? Raila is a political ponyman.
Okay. He's not a smart guy.
He's not smart, but he's a political conman. A smart guy tries to balance the followers, the people around him, also about the future. All along the days, Raila has always been doing handshakes since the days of Moi. But none of the handshake that he has ever done that has ever benefited any of one of his people. None. It is about him, all him, in him. Nothing about the nation, nothing about his family, nothing about the community, nothing about this country. He got nothing for this country. He got nothing, his self-interest. He want to sell gas, he want to sell oil, he want to sell molasses, he want to sell this, he want to own this. That is all he want to own, the money. Before he joins the government, he has to be paid. He was paid money. Before he went to ASU, he was paid money. Before he surrendered some of his members to become into the cabinet, he was paid some money. And now he's going to be given money to run a parallel government. Because RUTO thinks that he can tame him, put him there, and then he writes on his popularity to get to where he wants. That's a mystery that RUTO has gotten it wrong. He will never get it. He's wasting his time, and he will never, because both of them, if we go now biblically or spiritually, God sometimes will bring some people he wants to eliminate. He will bring them together so that he can finish them together. God is a master planner. God is an organizer. God is an operator. Sometimes he will bring all the people he wants to finish. He brought people. When in Sodom and Gomorrah, he brought all of them, and then he set them on fire, and they were all burned. They were all destroyed. So it was that way. So the regime of RUTO, the regime of Raila, the regime of Kenyatta, the regime of Moi has come to an end. And that's that it has come to an end. God will cause them to come together so that they perishes together, they goes together as he raises. Because it is the anger that God is releasing to people of Kenya. That's why Raila has been brought to RUTO, to Uhuru, and to Moi's family. That's that when they come together, every Kenyan will be angry with them. So it will be much easier for a revolution to be called for. Because these are the obstacles of Kenya's development. The four families are the obstacles, the wall behind the failures of this country. They are the economic saboteurs. Yeah. They are political saboteurs. They are our social life saboteurs. They are the most dangerous creatures on earth that you can have. Those the four families. If, with all due respect, they are removed from Kenya and taken somewhere, in a piece of land somewhere, and kept somewhere, I want to assure you, my brother, Kenya will be like Indonesia in 3 years' time. Yeah. Kenya is the richest country in the world. The richest country. Nchi ambayo imeporwa na kila mtu na ianguke.
Because Indonesia, they came to Kenya.
They borrowed money from Kenya.
Yeah.
Malaysia borrowed money from Kenya to go and develop their country.
Our leaders are going there to benchmark.
Now leaders from Kenya, they are going to Malaysia to benchmark. And so why? Because we have families that are in their menopause. They are nothing to offer. They are nothing to give. They are only protecting their interests. The move behind Raila to sign an agreement with RUTO is about the Kenyatta family. The move of the ministers, the Kikuyu ministers who are given the ministerial from the Uhuru side and from Raila side, that's about Kenyatta family. It's about the interest of Kenyatta family. It's about the interest of the British government, because they want to protect their businesses. They want to protect their interests. They're not about Kenyans. They're not about who is to become or where to become. They want to balance. When they saw the Gen Zs coming up strongly and the Gen Zs were not controlled, it shook everybody. Everybody was so frustrated. It was frightened, because this is a group coming together without the blessings of this family. Then it's the most dangerous group. When Mungiki was started, Mungiki was started without the interest or without these families being involved. But as we grew, they searched for us, and eventually we found ourselves under the hands of the Kenyatta family. We were with Ngengi Muigai and the Congo Muigai at their offices at Bruce House. That is where we lost all the direction. They bought us cars, they gave us money, we thought that these are good, they are generous, they are fighters. Kumbe, they were just enemies of the struggle. That is what again they want to do. They want to come and tease young people and make young people feel like they are liberators. Now that we feel Uhuru Kenyatta is our liberator, Raila is our liberator, RUTO is our liberator. No. They want to pocket these young people into their pockets and then kill them and kill the liberation. So what I'm calling upon the young people, this is the time to rise up. This is the time to call for difference. This is the time to call for the change of the nation. Yeah. This is the time we need to erase the entire system and create a new system. This is your time. Liberate this nation. It is in your hands.
Is this pact going to be until the end?
No, it can't. It can't. I will be surprised to see it going through June. It can't, because these are two people with two different interests. Ruto thinks he's smart, but the people behind Raila are much brighter and smart than Ruto. Ruto is in the cage. He has been caged. He will do nothing. Very soon, they are demanding to have the speaker position. Very soon, Mudavadi seat has been taken away.
Yeah.
Ishongwa seat will be taken away, and nothing. All these things will be removed, and Ruto will be left naked. He will be naked because he's already half naked. In a few days to come, he will be naked, completely naked.
Let's talk about Raila said Matiang'i can never be president. But then he went there, was chased away. Arati was beaten, was hospitalized. Some leaders just ran away. Is this Kalonzo, Gachagua, Matiang'i pact coming to make any impact?
Impact is not by leaders. That you must keep it off. Okay. It's not Kalonzo. Kalonzo has been there. All the days since you were born, you found Kalonzo there.
Yeah, it's been out a while.
Matiang'i is a representation of the same regime. Mother Karua is a representation of the same regime. The revolution is coming. Freedom is coming. Not from the status quo, but from unknown quarters, from what do you call it? It's a language. There's one word I want to use that is more perfect. That the revolution is coming from unexpected quarters. Okay. It is not coming from traditional quarters.
An impromptu.
Yes, this is an impromptu. It is God bringing the revolution himself. And these people are going to run away from Kenya. Just wait. These people are going to run away like Gambia president, Jammeh. Yeah. Jammeh used a motorcycle to run away from the nation. I saw the other day his cars were rotting in his backyard. This is what's going to happen to these guys. They are going to run away, literally running away, because the pressure will be too much and so powerful. They will try to kill, and the people they will be sending to go to kill, they will go avoid killing, in any case joining these people, because a revolution is coming. And the time for revolution is now. And this is a time to call for the revolution and tell people of Kenya, rise up and bring change. Thank you.
Apostle, we are glad you've given us some words of wisdom, which you didn't know, and we hope other people will benefit from this word. Thank you so much. Until next time.
Thank you. Okay. I'm Apostle Ndura Waruinge from the synagogue, Crusaders for Christ. I'm based at Coffee Plaza, Mezzanine floor, My number is running down there, our website and our email. You can write us an email. You can just check on what we are doing in our website, and also you can come to our offices. We are at the main mezzanine floor, Coffee Plaza. Come anytime from Monday to Sunday. We are there. We have our services on Sunday. Just join us for powerful services. May God bless you. May God make you great. May God make Kenya his nation and wonderful nation. Kenya is a baby of God. Nobody will joke with Kenya. The revolution has come.
Bethel Clouds TV, empowering lives.